Well, look what's here. Oh my goodness. That boy probably got some weight to it, huh?
200 pounds.
Oh.
I used a forklift.
You did?
Yeah.
Do you want me to get up there?
Yeah, you're gonna have to push it out.
Holy crap. Don't you wish we had a pallet, do you think?
No.
Well, you...
I broke that box. I set it down on it.
Really?
Yeah.
Yep. Just like that.
Oh, we did break our forklift though.
Where? This way. Oh.
This one. Big deal.
Man, where's that knife?
Toolbox. I'm sure that top just lifts off. Come on, boys.
No rookie. Reveal. What color is it?
Looks like a painted black. Probably want to cut these.
Where'd that? Grab that box cutter.
Let's use it.
Right there.
Careful.
You want to cut it?
Well, it's strapped to the board too, so we're gonna want to be careful and pick it up.
What are those?
T-shirts.
Nuh-uh.
T-shirts. We got more T-shirts.
See if they know our size. This one better be reasonable.
What are you doing, Cole?
I am unboxing, unwrapping
What?
brand new Turbo 400s from Rossler Transmissions.
Whatever that is.
If I can get this undone. Where'd that box cover go?
I don't know.
Ordered it in January?
February.
February?
Yeah. But it doesn't do us any good because we don't have one of these.
Thing's a unit.
Holy.
Might set the new world record of how long it takes to unwrap a transmission.
Yep, which model is it? XHD.
I don't know.
XHD, Rossler, Turbo 400, custom gear set. 182, 131, I believe it is, or 184, 131.
She's oiled up a little bit already.
Yep.
Perfect.
Keep that plastic on there.
Tell me when you got it. I got it.
Perfect.
I got it. Perfect.
Perfect. Well, put a towel behind it or something so if it drips. There's one on the ground right there, that yellow one.
Like that?
Yep, that's fine.
Perfect. There she is. All nice and sweet sitting inside the garage, finally home. Like I said, I ordered it back in January and right now it's June and just showed up. So it's quite exciting to finally have it here. And hopefully next is the engine on this thing and we can get cracking away at building it and hopefully be able to race by the end of the race season. So I know it's been a while since you guys last seen this car. Haven't been able to do much because we haven't had an engine or a transmission. So we kind of did some more of the small stuff. So like you can see here, no engine still in here. Going to the interior. The shifter is now in the car. Got the line lock hooked up there, just not wired up. parachute handle, and that's about it. Haven't ran the transmission cable yet because obviously the transmission is not in the car. But another big thing in the back here, did put a wing on the back, and then the parachute with a very nice parachute mount there from Racecraft. Big shout out to Clint at Race Coatings who did the power coating on this wing and the parachute mount with the can. Did a really good job. So there's no actual chute in here yet, just the bag. We just kind of have it set up to be ready for when the chute comes. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this car so far. Not a lot of big things. We just kind of started cracking away at the engine bay, getting stuff out of the way for the Pro Charger. But yeah, really nice to finally get some of these parts back in and be able to crack away at this thing, just to have it ready for this race season. And then another big thing we changed too is we have a pair of Pro bracket radials on here now. They're 28-10-5s. So got some bigger tires on here. Barely got them to squeeze in there, but took a little bit of that fender massaging to get these bad boys on there. So look nice, so fit the outside a little bit more. And yeah, it's looking pretty good. I'm super excited, obviously, to finally get this thing out on the track. So I do have some footage of us taking the actual engine out of the car. I can throw that in here for a time lapse just so you guys can see. This was back in like last year sometime. But it's just been at KTRE getting upgrades done to it as far as the internals go. And obviously, like I showed you earlier, it's not in there anymore, but that should be coming back within the next week. So that's gonna be it for this video. We got some pretty exciting events coming up here. I just uploaded this to kind of give a general update on what's going on here at home with Babe the Blue Fox. We are actually going to be at No Prep Kings next weekend here in Brainerd. I believe we are racing the orange car, Agent Orange, in the small tire locals class, and then we're also going to enter in the actual small tire class. So a couple cool events coming up, and then we also have Cash at the Creek here, one of the main races that we do every year. So yeah, should be pretty eventful, and then soon this thing will be back out on the track. Yeah, so thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah.